Hey guys, it's Angela. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. And for today's video, we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm. So if you would like to see what we all got in this month's box, then keep on watching. Alright, so I have my Boxycharm here. I have just slit the tape. I have not looked. I did see a couple of spoilers on Instagram from Boxycharm a couple weeks ago, but I honestly don't remember them except for like there was a primer of some sort. That's all I truly remember. I don't remember much detail because I didn't want to look too deep into it. I didn't want to get too excited, so I still enjoy being surprised by my Boxycharm. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, where have you been hiding? It is a $21 a month subscription box that sends you 4 to 5 deluxe to full-size makeup products, and it is amazing. I absolutely love Boxycharm. It is the only subscription box that I currently receive. I used to get Ipsy and Birchbox, but they were always a disappointment, so I dropped those and kept this one. So let's see what's inside, shall we? Okay, as always, it's got the hashtag Boxycharm on top, and then we have a card. Oh, we're back to the regular cards this month, and this is the Boxy Bash. Last month it was a trifold card, so, and on the back it's got all the products and the costs. So let's go ahead and see what else. What is our first product? The first one I grab here. Oh, okay. Oh, I like this. This is the Han Skincare Cosmetics All Natural Lip Gloss with antioxidants and vitamins. This is healthy and natural in the shade Raspberry Chardonnay. And let's give this a quick little swatch and see what it looks like. So let's do a quick little swatch. It does say it's a lip gloss, but this looks like a tinted lip gloss. So let's take a look here and see. It is a tinted lip gloss. It is a very pretty mauvey pink color. And I really like this shade. Look at that. So we are going to be trying out the products today. I just want to see what all we got first. Okay, the next product is, here it is. This is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This is the one that I have been excited about. I did read that it was a primer. I did know that it was blurry, but I couldn't remember the brand. So I'm very excited to get this. I've been loving all the Cover FX products that we've gotten so far. So it says, apply every morning on a clean face, ideal to prime skin for foundation application. So excellent. Oh, I forgot to see. How long has it been since I've done one of these? I keep forgetting to look at the prices. Alright, so let's see. The Blurring Primer by Cover FX is retail price for $38. And the lip gloss retail price for $15. Alright, so let's go ahead and... Oh, there's a brush this month. Yay! I'm so excited, guys. I love getting makeup brushes so much. This is by Aesthetica. It's a P12 brush. And this is what it looks like. It's a little angled from being in the wrapper, but nothing we can't just, you know, bend back into shape. It's got a nice thick handle, and this seems to be like a nice powder brush or even for dusting of bake or bronzing. Very excited to try that brush out. So cool. Okay, this brush is the P12 brush with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look, and it retails for $27. The next product in our box is... Oh, okay. This is the Pretty Vulgar The Ink Black List Gel Eyeliner, and it comes in this beautiful little bag right here. Oh my gosh, we got more brushes too. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. And let's see in there. Yep, it looks like a typical cream gel liner inside. Seems to have quite a bit of product. I can't really judge to see if it's bigger than the average eyeliner or gel liner. Well, let's close it nice and tight because we don't want that to dry out. That gel liner retails for $24. So this is $24. And the last thing in our box, which I had to take out because this product kind of confused me for a second, and then I understood. This is not the last product, I apologize. This is, I just looked at my box again, there's something else in there. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place in this video today, but anyway. This is another Aesthetica brush trio from the same brand. I feel like I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 6 products this month. I got 6 products this month because I got this brush, this, and there's still something left in my box. So, wow. Go Boxycharm. Holy cow. Way to up your game. Okay. So let's take a peek here. We have a spoolie brush for your brows, which I will desperately need. We have somewhat of a fat angled brush, but it's really, really pretty. I could see this for like setting liner with black shadow. I think that would work really well, or for like under the eyes. And then the last brush we have is a very thin, I'm trying to take the little plastic that is stuck on there really good. So it's got this little plastic cover on it. Anyway, I'll leave it on there for now. And this is a liner brush for eyeliner. So let's take a look at what the card says about these. This is the Aesthetica 3-piece trio. And it says it comes with an angled eyeliner brush. That to me is a little too wide for an eyeliner brush. I don't know if you can see how fat that is. Yeah, it's a little too wide. It has a brow spoolie and a fine tipped eyeliner brush, which is this one. This is the one I would use for eyeliner. Convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks, from the subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. Of course. Alright. And that retails for $45. Those 3 little brushes together is a combined total of $45. Holy cow. Alright, so let's see what else is in my box. See, there's one more thing down there. What is this? Boxycharm. It has no label. It's white. There's no words on it anywhere. Let's see. Slide it out. And this is the Pure Sculptor palette. Okay, so I finally got it open. No tape across the front. Good. This is what the packaging looks like. And let's reveal what it is. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay. These are gorgeous. The Sculptor of Your Own Destiny. So this is a sculpting and highlighting, contouring and highlight palette. And let's see what it says on the card. The Pure Sculptor palette, a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted for perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. So let's go ahead and swatch these guys. It does bring a decent sized mirror. Let's do the highlights first. They are very soft, very, very buttery. Let's just swatch them across my hand here. There's that one. And that one, and that is what those look like. Yeah, let me give you a little bit of light so you can see the reflection on that. Okay, not too bad. Let's blend them out a little bit. They are quite chunky. At least the darker gold one was a little chunky. But that is what the highlighters look like. Very, very pretty. Alright, I do love the Pure eyeshadows, so I don't know how I'm going to feel about these, but I can't wait to try them out. Alright, now let's go ahead and do the contour shades. Oh, by the way, those shades, this one right here was called the Originator, and this one is the Trailblazer. So just wanted to point that out. Originator, Trailblazer. Okay, and then for the contour shades we have Inventor and Founder. So it's Inventor, Founder, and let's swatch those on this side of my hand. Inventor and Founder. Those are very, very dark. I'm almost scared. They blend out really easy though. Super, super easy. See, there's their blended versions. Okay, so we are now going to go ahead and start getting ready. This palette, by the way, retails for $30. So very cool. let's just do the math real quick and see what our box is worth today. I usually wait until the end to do that, but I am so curious because we got 6 products this month. The grand total of our box is $179. Oh my god, $179. That is insane. I paid $21 for this box plus tax, and it's $179 worth of products inside. That's amazing. Boxycharm, you have blown me away. Now it's time to put these products to the test and see how they work on my face. So my face has already been washed and moisturized, and now we are going to go ahead and apply our primer to test that out first. Okay, so I just noticed that I had a big old black streak on my face. I don't know if that's been there the entire time. Oops. Okay. I don't know how I got there, but whatever. Let's go ahead and go in with the Cover FX primer. Let's see. It's got safety seal for your protection. Thank you, Cover FX. All right. It's very thick. It kind of reminds me of the Professional by Benefit. It's got that type of thick consistency. So let's see how it works. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna put some on my nose, up there, and pat some in here. I'm really just gonna try to pat that in. Right in here. Okay, that stuff actually works really well. Like, I have all this right here, it's all blurred out, like instantly. That is awesome. Holy cow, I feel like that almost makes me look like younger. Is that weird? So I'm just gonna use the liner brush that they sent as a powder setter for my brows. And I can't find my brow powder, so I'm just gonna use a combination of 2 shades in here. I'm using the Cool Tone Dark Brown and the middle bottom color. Just tapping in both to kind of give me a decent shade that's not too dark. Okay, so I haven't finished my makeup yet quite on the eyes, but my battery is going to die soon, so I'm gonna go ahead and test out the contour set and see how that works. I'm a little concerned that there might be a little dark, so I'm gonna go in with a very light hand and see how this goes. I'm going to use a crown brush for the contour, and I'm going to go in with the lighter shade, this top one right here. It does pick up a ton of product, so tap off. I'm actually going to just kind of dab on my wrist just to remove excess, and then go in and start contouring. It blends completely effortlessly. Holy cow, this is really nice. Like, no contour, contour, no contour, contour. And on camera it looks a lot darker than it does in person. It's much more subtle in person. Tap, tap, buff, buff, and contour. I'm blending it upwards. Oh, holy contour. All right, crazy. Okay, I'm gonna grab a slightly fluffier brush, and I'm going to grab this guy right here, and I'm going to bronze up my face. But before I do that, I actually want to grab, where is it? Actually, I used this guy too. Let me just get any excess product off of him. I'm just gonna go into this shade right here and tap once on the top. Tap off the excess, buff it out, and just very lightly contour my nose. I like a very subtle nose contour. When I do contour my nose, I don't always contour my nose. Okay. So there's my nose contour. And let's try out the highlights before my battery dies. So back to the other palette. Holy cow. Okay. I didn't realize I was almost out of battery life. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this champagne colored one on top. And let's test it out and see how it looks. That is a beautiful, soft highlight. Very pretty. I haven't bronzed yet, so I'm doing everything out of order today. That's gorgeous. And just with a smaller brush, I'm just gonna contour my nose real quick. Just this eyeshadow brush. Not contour, oh my gosh, highlight my nose. That's a beautiful highlight. What do you guys think? Oh, okay, so overall, I do really enjoy the products that I got in this month's Boxycharm. I hope that you guys also enjoyed. I'm actually kind of excited. I'm gonna take both of these and just bronze up my face a little bit because I'm looking a little white, a little pale. And I like the combination of those two. Just kind of mesh everything together. I'm not using the best brush for bronzing, but it works. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to leave you unfinished. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also don't forget to follow me on social media. I am Angela That Babe on Instagram, and I am YouTube That Babe on Twitter and Snapchat. I'm still 25 people away from the end of my giveaway, so let's get on that, folks. Come on, let's try this lip gloss. Oh, it smells like vanilla cupcakes. It is quite pigmented. I almost forgot about this guy. Okay, so the lip gloss is a very, very pretty shade. It is very moisturizing, very shiny, and yeah, I really like it. It's not something I would wear out because it would not last, but it is still very pretty, and I'm really happy I have it because I really don't have that many lip glosses. So I hope to see you guys on my next video, and don't forget to check out this video right here so that you can be entered. Bye!